Keeping a keen look at your calorie intake is the primary step for weight management, aside from weight control. Robust bodybuilders and competitive athletes also watch carefully consuming calories and eating high-energy foods. Some foods contain a considerable amount of calories, and you need extra effort to burn them. Zero-calorie diet does not mean eating flavorless food. Instead, some foods are highly delicious and contain almost zero calories that are good for your health also. Let us discuss them in detail. Number 1. Apples. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. It sounds pretty relatable here. Apple stands at the top of the list, which is the best food to consume as they have low calorie and is high in fiber and water-rich content that helps in weight loss. Number 2. Grapefruit. It is a delicious fruit with multiple health benefits. They contain antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals with a highly low calorie ratio. Half grapefruit, high water content regulates bowel movements and avoids constipation. Number 3. Carrots. Carrots is a delicious vegetable and highly nutritious. It contains almost zero to low calories and is best known for its vision-enhancing properties. These are rich in fiber, antioxidants, and vitamin C, which helps in weight loss, enhance immune system, and protection against cancer. They also contain phosphorus that helps maintain blood pressure and reduces the risk of heart diseases. Number 4. Cabbage. Cabbage is a healthy food with amazing flavor, and it carries almost zero calories. It contains a high amount of vitamin C, which boosts immunity, improves digestion, and reduces the risk of heart diseases due to the substance anthocyanin in it. Number 5. Cauliflower. It is super tasty food and can be eaten raw, cooked, baked, or grilled in salads and other recipes. 100 grams of cauliflower contains only 25 calories that prevents weight gain. The high amount of fiber promotes satiety and avoids cravings for unnecessary snacks. Number 6. Berries. The entire series of berries like strawberries, blackberries, raspberries, and blueberries are highly delicious foods with almost no calories and low sugar content. 1 cup of strawberry contains only 49 calories. These are rich in antioxidants, fiber, and water that reduces inflammation in the body and helps to shed extra pounds. Number 7. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are also rich in water and low in calories. Only 8 calories per 52 grams. These are commonly used in salads and incorporated in several dieting plans due to their delicious taste and health benefits. Number 8. Papaya. 1 cup of papaya contains only 55 calories and is high in vitamin A and potassium. Papaya is a flavorful food that tastes good to bud. Number 9. Herbs and spices. Herbs and spices add fantastic flavor to foods and are extremely low in calories. Common herbs used in cooking and salads are basil, mint, cumin, parsley, and oregano. A long list of spices and peppers like cinnamon, paprika, coriander, mustard seeds, and fenugreek seeds are used extensively in traditional recipes to add flavor. These contain very low calories and are high in antioxidants that fight inflammation in the body. Number 10. Eggs. Eggs are high in protein and low in calories and are blessed with uncountable health benefits. They contain vitamins A, D, K, E, and B complex that help to boost cell growth and improves bone health. 11. Grapes. Grapes are highly satiating foods, keeping you full without high calorie intake. Grapes are a great source of vitamin K and C, and hence they have shown strong anti-cancer properties.
Anyways, let me know what you think about in the comment section below. I will see you all tomorrow. Don't forget to click the like button and share this video with your friends. Always stay tuned and subscribe to our channel by hitting the bell icon to see our latest videos. Thanks for joining us today.